What is up, my KeToMi crew? It's your boy KeToMi Papi, and today we are here in my kitchen for the very first time. We're going to be making some keto buffalo fried chicken wings. I'm going to do it all on this video. So if this is something that is interesting to you, you like watching cooking tutorial videos, here we are. We're going to be doing it for the first time ever. If this is your first time at KeToMi Papi, I hope it isn't your last time. Consider subscribing. Hit this video with a like if you enjoyed the video, and make sure you turn on the notifications bell so you will never miss another KeToMi Papi video. I'm gonna have more of this content on my KeToMi recipes, so go ahead and hit that channel up as well. Yeah. Follow all of my socials, they're gonna be in the description below. And without further ado, let's get into the recipe. First, I'm going to be using the avocado mayo as a binder. I saw this online, so we're going to be trying it for the first time. I'm using Chosen Foods 100% olive oil mayonnaise. If you look at the ingredients are very key here. You want to make sure that they really are using avocado oil and nothing else that is harmful when you're trying to choose the right mayonnaise. So Chosen Foods, everything checked out well. You guys can find my affiliate link in the description below if you guys are interested in that. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of this as a binder with this chicken. So I know what you're probably thinking, like, what is he doing? I know I said the same thing whenever I saw it online. So we're gonna see how it goes. If you don't like using mayonnaise, you can use mustard as well. So that is a different option. Just trying to get the rest of this mayonnaise off of the spoon. Okay, so we're gonna follow up with some seasonings. For seasonings, we're gonna be using some Flavor God Everything Spicy seasoning. This is just a seasoning that I like by Flavor God. It has a lot of flavor, no salt. I'm trying to get at least a tablespoon and a half, 2 tablespoons. You can go generous with this one because there's no salt, and that's kind of what we're trying to avoid with the other seasonings. It's not too much salt. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding some garlic powder here. Garlic powder is all flavored. And last but not least, I'm gonna be adding some Sazon. This stuff is really good. It gives your chicken a nice color when you're about to deep fry it. So I like to add a good amount of Sazon, not too much, and it does the trick. I got gloves on, so we're gonna go ahead and get this mixed. I want this seasoning to get all into our chicken here. I know. Mayonnaise, like I said before, if you guys don't like mayonnaise, you can use mustard. These are just binders that are gonna help our breading coat the chicken very well. So far, this is getting all over our chicken very nicely. And if you want, you can actually let this marinate for a little bit. That looks pretty good to me, guys. What do you guys think? I love it. All right. Baby. So we're gonna go ahead and set this aside, and we're gonna move on to the next step. We're gonna be adding 1 cup of 0-carb protein powder. This is from Isopure. I'll have the protein powder in the description below if you guys are looking for it. It took me a long time to find a good protein powder, and I found that this one works. So that's about 1 cup. We're gonna follow up with equal parts Parmesan cheese here. Okay, so that's 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of 0-carb protein powder. We're gonna be seasoning our breading, our keto breading. Chicken bouillon here, garlic powder here. This is some garlic powder, some baking powder, some onion powder, cayenne pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika. That should do it. That should be enough flavor for these wings here, because we do have a sauce that we're going to be getting involved in this recipe. So I really didn't have to list that. All I got to do is just zip it up. Zip this bad boy up. Toss it. All right. Make sure it's nice and tossed, and we're going to get this ready for our chicken. At this time, you probably want to go ahead and preheat your deep fryer to 325 degrees. We're gonna attempt to do a double fry. So get that to 325, and we're gonna go ahead and do some frying. By this time, my deep fryer is set to 325 degrees. We have our chicken here that we're gonna go ahead and get into this breading mix. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the first one. I'll do 2 at a time. So we're gonna go ahead and close this up. And this is just the way I do it. If you guys don't like to use the bag method, then feel free to use any type of method that you prefer. Let's see how our coated wings look like. Shake any excess, and this is what we got. And we're gonna go ahead and get to frying. So I'll see you guys in just a moment. And that's what we're looking like once they come out the deep fryer. Okay, so we got our bucket of fried chicken wings. If you guys can see if we can get a nice little focus on these. These are looking so crispy, and they're not so delicate, guys. So a lot of people kind of have that wonder if these are delicate. Let's see if this is really delicate. I wouldn't go too crazy. I mean, this is keto fried chicken, so we're not quite yet done. We're gonna go ahead and make a delicious creamy buffalo sauce, and we're gonna go ahead and get this ready for a nice shot. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next station. We're gonna have some butter from Frank's Red Hot. I'm gonna add some heavy cream to this. And if you don't like your buffalo sauce creamy, then you can just skip this step. All right, guys, here's the finished product: creamy, delicious keto buffalo wings. You guys check out this recipe. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna see you guys in the mukbang room. What is up, my KeToMi crew? It's your boy KeToMi Papi, and today we are back for another mukbang. That's right,
another one.
All right, y'all. We are here in the studio. I just got done making these keto buffalo chicken wings, and if you guys already saw from the beginning of the video, I showed you guys exactly how I prepare them. And to be honest, guys, this is a lot of work, but this is what I'm gonna start doing. At least once a week I can drop at least a video or two. That would be, I think, just perfect enough for me to show you guys a little bit of what I do instead of me just doing food reviews all the time. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys do, like this style of video, and I'll keep doing them if you guys like them, because it is a lot of work. So I kind of am introducing a whole different shot to this. So this is going to be interesting. This is all homemade. The full recipe will be down in the description below. If you guys like my short videos, you can find that at KeToMi Recipes. So you guys are so awesome. I'm not going to make you guys work so hard to find my recipes. So like I said before, we have these keto buffalo chicken wings. I got some fries here, some ranch for dipping, and guys, we're gonna be feasting. Not really a feast, but we're gonna just enjoy some food before I knock out for bed. So let me just get you guys a nice close visual of what we're working with. All right, this is the chicken wings. Hope you guys can get a nice visual of that. Oh yeah. This is your first time at KeToMi Papi. I hope it is your last time. Consider subscribing. Like this video if you enjoyed the video, and make sure you turn on the notifications bell so you will never miss another KeToMi Papi video. Alright, keto buffalo chicken wings, we're going in. Let's go ahead and try it first without any ranch.
Delicious.
Oh yeah. Perfect. Full of flavor. Get some of these fries here.
Juicy.
How have you guys been doing today? Hope you guys' weekend was nice. I'm recording on a Sunday night, so depending on when I get this video out, because a lot of editing goes involved in this, so hopefully I get this out to you guys in a timely fashion.
Marvelous.
For those of y'all who don't prefer keto or don't even care about keto, just go to the recipes and substitute the protein powder Parmesan cheese for all-purpose flour.
Delicious.
a lot of cool content coming for you guys. So if you guys haven't subscribed up to this point, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You probably don't want to miss out. I've been cooking for almost 15 years now, maybe 16 years. Maybe more. Because I used to cook pancakes as a kid. That was the very first thing I cooked was pancakes. Yeah, take a look at that. Keto fried chicken. Yeah, believe that?
Divine.
It took me a while to perfect this recipe. These wings are huge. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish it. Oh my gosh. Oh boy, these are huge. This is only an 8-piece. Maybe I should have made like a 6-piece. Should have done a 6-piece. I used to do these videos in the beginning when I first started on YouTube. So if you guys scroll down far enough, you will see a lot of this type of videos where I was making more like homemade foods. So it's good to be back with this one. Whew, your boy is stuffed here, guys. I do not throw away my food. But instead, I will finish this at a different time. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe. Hit this video with a like. If you guys like this type of videos where I cook for you guys and give you guys recipes, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with your boy KeToMi Papi. Look out for my next video. It might be a food review, it might be a cooking video. I will only know what to produce if you guys let me know down in the comment section below. Yeah! Until next time, your boy KeToMi Papi is going to be signing out. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay healthy. Take care. Peace.